detailers will never be replaced by AI. Okay, for us, it's still hands-on, still a trust-based industry, and people care who's touching their car. But the thing is, if you're not taking advantage of AI right now to run your business smarter, faster, and more efficiently, you will fall behind. In this video, I'm going to be giving you 4 practical ways to use AI in your business. These are all things that you could get running in the next few days. They'll save you hours, they'll help you close more leads and build a business that could run with way less stress. First, you want to automate your booking and customer communication. You waste so much time replying to the same questions over and over again. How much for a full detail? Do you have availability this weekend? What's the difference between your gold and your masterpiece package? You boys should not be answering these questions manually. So set up an AI chatbot. You could use tools like ManyChat or TDO. You want to set up the bot to ask about vehicle information. What's the year, make, and model? You also want to give it a short menu to offer to your clients, which of course would be connected to your website or preset packages. Then you want to have it help book a time slot, either using Go High Level or Calendly. Next, you want to have it handle frequently asked questions. You could do this for both SMS and your Instagram DMs and Facebook Messenger. You could have it respond to certain keywords like interior, ceramic coating, full detail, then have AI written responses that automatically go out when people type these certain keywords in a text message. Now you can also use AI to write automated SMS follow-ups. So this gets sent out right when someone books in, or right when you finish up a job, or to remind them for certain offers and deals throughout the year. You could even pair this with automations. For example, if you send a text message blast to every single one of your clients, and at the end, it could say, reply with the word coding to see our special offer on your make and model. You could have an automated AI response that will get the year, make, and model, match it to your pricing and packaging, and then respond to the client with that number, all completely done for you, when all you had to do is press the button in your CRM to send that initial text to every single one of your clients. Number 2 is you get help from AI to create better, faster content. Content is an amazing way to stay relevant and build a brand in your market, but it is super time consuming. You need pictures, process videos, captions, reviews, all to build trust in your market. And AI can be your content assistant, editor, and writer all in one. You could use AI editing tools like Opus Clip or Captions.ai to edit long detailing clips into short form content, and it will auto-generate captions for you. You can turn just a few minutes of raw footage into 3 to 5 high-quality short-form videos in less than 10 minutes. And of course, you can use simple tools like ChatGPT to write out all your Instagram captions, generate hooks for Reels, and then use other AI tools like Canva's AI Magic Write to design carousel posts, because you don't just want to be posting the same type of content every single time. Now, the thing is, for content, of course, you're still going to have to go out and film it, but you don't want to overthink it. Content does not have to be perfect. In fact, in most cases, the opposite is what works best. People like seeing the most raw, authentic type of videos. I've literally spent wasted thousands of dollars on hiring professional videographers to make high quality content, and it didn't do shit for me. Just use a tripod or a chest mount, or you could even use the meta glasses to get POV style content, but just record. They just want to see authenticity, the process, and what you're actually like as a business owner. Okay, now the third thing you want to use AI for is to create smart pricing. Now look, you should already know exactly what to charge for every single year, make, and model for every single package that you currently offer. If you're still struggling with that, I have a video that breaks down exactly how I price every single package and service in my detailing business, so go and give that a watch. But what you want to use AI for is the more uncommon things. And the most use that I get out of these AI pricing calculators is when it comes to aviation, marine, and RV. Since in this case, almost every single vehicle you're working off of is a different size, you need to go based off of linear footage. Now, here's the thing, guys. When it comes to AI, it can literally make and create anything you want. It all comes down to how you prompt it, what you're asking it to do. And most people have no idea what to ask AI. So if you want to get the exact prompt that I would use to create a custom pricing calculator like this, just DM me the word AI on DK Mobile Wash and I'll send you over the exact prompt. Okay, now moving on. The final thing you want to use it for is automatic follow-ups and referrals. If you're struggling in your businesses right now, in fact, all detailing businesses that are struggling across the board are typically heavily lacking when it comes to customer follow-up. You could use AI to build systems that remind, rebook, and retain all your clients without you lifting a single finger. What you want to do is use Go High Level or Scipio AI campaigns. After 24 hours, you want to set up a maintenance pitch and a review link reminder. After 30 days, you want to let your clients know that they're due for a refresh. And you want to repeat this action 60 and 90 days after as well if they don't end up rebooking. And you could use AI to also identify repeat clients and upsell triggers. You could tag clients who get a lot of waxes. AI can automatically send them a ceramic coating pitch. You could also tag all of your coating clients. You could have it send them quarterly reset reminders. Now you could also do the same triggers through email marketing. For bonus, you could also have AI automate responses to your Google reviews and anywhere else people might be leaving reviews for your business. So if you're still running your business without a single ounce of AI, DMing every single customer, writing every single caption, and quoting custom jobs on the fly, you're leaving so much time and money on the table. The smart detailers are using AI to save 10+ hours a week, post 3 times more content, never forget a follow-up, and they're making it easier for themselves to close higher ticket jobs. You'll personally never be replaced by AI, but if you never adapt and start using it, you'll get replaced by a business who does. So if you guys want the exact AI tools list and setup templates, just DM me the word AI detailer on Instagram and I'll send them your way. And we'll see you guys in the next one.